Welcome to SJEC e-classes on YouTube channel. This is 10th class geography subject and I am Aruna Singh who is teaching this subject. In this video our chapter is going mineral resources in India and the topics are the meaning of minerals, types of minerals, iron ore, manganese, copper and bauxite, their uses and their distribution. These topics will be explained in this video. So let's start our this chapter, mineral resources in India. In this chapter, minerals. What is the meaning of the minerals? Minerals are natural chemical compounds uniform in composition, structure and constituents of rocks. On the basis of physical and chemical properties, the minerals are normally divided into two parts, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. What is the metallic minerals? These minerals give us metals like ores of iron, copper, gold, silver, lead, aluminium, etc. And non-metallic minerals, these do not contain metals and some examples are coal, petroleum, mica, limestone, etc. And the metallic minerals, these are also further divided into two groups, the ferrous minerals and the non-ferrous minerals. It means which have iron content such as iron, manganese and tungsten. These are the ferrous minerals. And non-ferrous minerals which do not have iron content, it means gold, copper, silver and bauxite. And non-metallic, these are generally called also mineral fuels such as coal and petroleum also. Importance of minerals. Before it, we can foreign exchange by exporting minerals and a number of industries are dependent on minerals, and the economic growth of any country, it's also depend on the minerals, and many occupation and our money sources, these are also dependent on the minerals. So here are our importance. Other a number of industries and more than 6 lakh people are employed in this sector. Distribution of minerals. The northern Eastern Plateau region, the Central Belt, the Southern Belt, the Southwestern Belt, the Northwestern Belt. India is rich in mineral resources, but these are unevenly distributed. The northern plains of India have a thick layers of alluvium deposited by the rivers, and this region is very poor in mineral resources. But northern mountains of India, the exploitation of mineral resources is uneconomical due to the difficult terrain, lack of transport facilities, adverse climatic condition and sparse population. So here are the 5 well-defined minerals belt. Now first, the northeastern plateau region, which covers Chota Nagpur, Jharkhand, Odisha plateau and West Bengal and parts of Chhattisgarh. This is the largest mineral belt in India. And the central belt covers parts of Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Maharashtra. This is the second largest mineral belt in India. The south belt covers parts of Karnataka and also extends into the Tamil Nadu uplands. And the southwestern belt covers western Karnataka and Goa. Northwestern belt covers Rajasthan and the adjoining areas of Gujarat. Iron ore. It is used in the production of iron and steel and is used in the making of all machinery. There are 3 main types of iron ore: hematite, magnetite and limonite. The hematite, it is also known as red ore due to its reddish color. It is the best quality of iron ore in India. The iron content are about 70%. Most of the reserves of hematite ore are in Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. And magnetite, also known as the black ore due to its blackish color, is the second best quality of the iron ore, which is iron content about 60 to 70%, and reservoirs areas magnetite in Karnataka, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Madhya Pradesh. Limonite, it is yellow or light brown in color and is also called the hydrated iron oxide. This is due inferior quality and the iron contents ranges from 40 to 60%. Most of the reservoirs in Raniganj, Garhwal, Mirzapur, and the lowest quality is siderite. It is the very poor quality where is the iron only less than 40%. And this type of iron ore is self-fluxing due to the presence of lime. Here is the some our places given. Places are Odisha, good quality hematite iron, previously told you. Jharkhand, in Jharkhand, rich hematite iron 60 to 69%, and the main district Singhbhum, Palamu and now Mundi. Chhattisgarh, Bastar and Durg districts iron is exported through Vishakhapatnam, and Karnataka magnetite and hematite found in Kamangudi and Baba Budan hills, the famous areas, and Kudremukh has very large and valuable iron ore deposits and supplies this raw materials to Bhadravati iron works. Now our next minerals, it is manganese, which is mainly used in the manufacturing of steel, and ferromanganese alloy. It is also used in manufacturing bleaching powder, paints and disinfectants and other chemicals. Odisha and Madhya Pradesh, these are the two leading producers of manganese. Other producers are Goa, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. There has been a constant decrease in the export of manganese due to fast increasing demand in the local market. India now exports only 15% of its total production, and most of it goes to Japan, USA, UK, Germany, France and many other European countries. Our next, bauxite. Bauxite, it is a rock which consists of hydrated aluminium oxide and its color ranges from white to red. Bauxite is used for the extraction of aluminium. And here are the some places given: Odisha, Gujarat, Jharkhand. These are the main producers of the bauxite areas. Bauxites, it is pinkish or reddish in color depending upon the amount of iron contents. In Odisha, largest producer of bauxite in the country, the important districts are Kalahari, Koraput, etc. In Gujarat, it is the second largest producer and produces about 17%. The main bauxite producing districts are Jamnagar, Kutch, Surat, etc. Jharkhand is the third largest producer and produces about 14%. Aluminium is an important metal as it is extremely light, strong, does not rust, has good conductivity and great malleability. It is mainly used in the making of aeroplanes and electric wires. So these are the famous states for the bauxite production, and in India it is generally estimated at about 3500 million tons, and about 85% of the total reservoirs are of metallurgical grade, and this is about 4.5% of the world's total reservoirs. Copper, it was probably the first metal discovered and used by the early humans either as an alloy or in the pure form. So this is ancient as well as in younger rock formation and occurs as veins, and mining of copper is a costly affair due to very small percentage of metal in the ore, generally less than 1% in India. Production and distribution, total known reserves of copper ore in India are estimated at about 1560 million tons, which can provide about 12.5 million tons of pure metal. More than 95% of the copper reserves are in Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Jharkhand. So Madhya Pradesh, Balaghat and Baitul, both districts are famous in Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan, Khetri, Jhunjhunu, Ajmer, Akbar, Bhilwara, Chittorgarh. These are the famous districts in Rajasthan state, and Jharkhand, Singhbhum, Hazaribagh, Santhal Parganas. These are the famous areas in Jharkhand state. Uses of copper: it is a good conductor of heat and electricity. It is widely used in defense equipment and automobiles. Our minerals chapter, where 4 minerals are important in this chapter. In next video we will meet with the new chapter. So thanks for watching this video, and thanks again.